Hey, what's up, guys? Here we have a freshly blown up 2011 Kx250f. Well, not sure quite blown up, but I do know I was riding it and now I'm not riding it. So we're gonna tear into it and see what's going on, figure out what's happening and troubleshoot some things. But here we go. A little bit about this bike is I got it a couple years ago. Guy down in Butte, but I bought it, rode it around for a little while, quit on me. Figured out valves went bad, so replaced them with titanium valves. What happened after that, couldn't figure out what was going on. Then we checked the cams and they ended up being twisted. So, you know, like any hard-working American would do, it doesn't want to spend money. Twisted the cams back, tacked it in place, and she ran for a little bit and made sure the valves were in spec and all that good stuff, and now she just quit on me again. So I'm gonna go through, see what happened. So yeah, so getting the valve cover off now. I'm gonna take a first look at what's under here, if we can get it out. She's a little stuck. Here she comes. Well, she's not too bad. We'll have to check timing and check my clearance. Pulling out the spark plug here. She's a little wide on the tip. Not too bad, but definitely not running whole right. So, see what's down inside here, what we can make of it. So looking at the piston here, not sure how well she's doing. Doesn't look like it's too bad, but we'll have to see what's going on there. Well, as you can see here, he's a little too full of oil. You can see the air bubble there, so that might be an issue. So we got our oil fill plug off. We're gonna walk around, drain some oil from her and see what happens. Alright, so we got the timing cover off and we're gonna get her to TDC. We're gonna attempt to, because currently it is stuck, locked up. So we're gonna see what we can do. So as of now, it's not budging, not moving even a little bit. So I'm gonna drain the coolant, drain the oil, and we're gonna take the head off and we're gonna check out what's going on with the cylinder and whatnot. And so that'll be fun. There. So she's not too bad. Maybe see a little bit of something in there. A little milky. Looking a little metallic. So not a great sign, but oh well. Well, oil's draining. Let's see how the coolant's doing. This up here. Oh, she's spraying. Holy. Taking this out. It's not too bad. Still green. Have to put some cat litter on that. It's really pissing, huh? Alright. So, it's over just a little bit. Get that dripping in there. Sweet. Coolant drained. Alright, so I'm gonna take off the chain tensioner. This chain is super tight. Kinda worrying me. This whole thing kinda got messed up. Kinda nervous to see what ends up happening. What I'm looking at here. But anyways, I'll bore you guys the details of taking that out, but alright, so we got these bolts out, chain tensioner. It's not too bad. Just about normal, so that looks fine. I go ahead and put these bolts back in their spot just so I don't lose them. And then start taking this cam cover off, or cam cap, whatever you want to call it. Cut those in. Let's get to the top. Alright, we're gonna pull this cam cap off here if we can. Seems like this chain still has tension on it, but there we go. You always want to be careful not to drop your retaining clips down your position clips down in the case. So we'll put that back in there, kind of try not to lose track of it. These are super delicate. You never really want to twist and crank on them too hard, so it will snap on you. So just something to be aware of. See if we can pull out our cams here. There's one. Put that around there. Set this down. We'll get something to take its place here. Use an Allen wrench. Why not? Stick it in this way. That's holding its place there. Here's cam number 2. If you look at intake cam, there's quite a bit of wear here, actually, from inside this journal here. It's quite a bit of wear. You can actually catch a fingernail right in there. Dead in frame. So that's not good. Anyways, I'll keep going on that. Well guys, that's gonna have to end part 1 tonight. I'm getting late, it's school night, and so gotta start putting everything away, and while I wait for this oil to drain, get back to you guys when I get working on it again. Not sure how much time I'll have in this next week, but I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks. See you.